Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I am sharing with you guys the easiest glueless install. I think that wigs are super fun and they're a great way to switch up your style, especially me with my really short TWA, and I finally get to live out my bang fantasy. But I do want to make sure, because I feel that it's so overlooked, that we are taking that extra step and that extra precaution to make sure that our natural hair is being truly protected underneath the wig. Without saying too much, I am trying to come up with a way that we can truly protect our natural hair underneath wigs, because y'all know this little nylon stocking cap is really not protecting anything. I absolutely plan on making a more in-depth video where I'm able to share with you guys how I truly am figuring out and trying to protect my natural hair that I wear underneath wigs. I'm currently working on prototypes, so once that is finalized and I do have something that really works, I would be more than happy to offer that to you as well. And hopefully we can do more, to protect our natural hair, because that's really what it's about. That being said, let's jump right into the video. Now, the way that I do my glueless installs is so easy. All I use is bobby pins and edge control. I love to use edge control because I find that it really helps to melt the lace. So what I'm starting off with on my head, I do have my sort of protective prototype, and I have a nylon cap on top of that, and I'm wearing a wig grip on top of that. I like to use this to ensure that the wig is not moving, since I do only wear glueless, and I do think that it does a decent job of protecting edges. This is my wig. I named her Lisa after Lisa Ray, because when I first styled it, that's what she was giving. Now she's kind of, with the bangs, she's giving something else, but it's still cute. This has been my go-to wig as of lately, so the lace is already cut on it. For the part, I did use PerfectLine, which is a knot concealer. You just warm it up and then you can apply it down the part, and then just take a comb and kind of blend it out, and then it creates a really nice and easy scalp for you. Hey y'all, sorry for the interruption. I was editing and I realized my knot concealer was due for a touch-up. When I first applied this product a few weeks ago, I was still learning about it and I didn't know how much to apply, so I felt it was important to share with you now how to refresh and how to apply the knot concealer, because I really feel like with the lace I was sporting in this video, it was okay, but I feel like I did not do this product justice. I find this product to be super easy to work with. At least once you're kind of comfortable with it, you can definitely get the hang of it pretty quickly. I am following all the steps like I had mentioned to you guys before, and it's pretty self-explanatory right here. I do really like this product though. It does dry down pretty fast, which can be good because it doesn't transfer, but it's also annoying because you kind of have to keep reheating the product in between, because it'll dry down, before you're done applying it. I also like to use oil, and the creator of this product also advises doing that. It helps to enhance and only make this product and the scalp look even more realistic. So that is a big useful tip, I would say, if you are going to try out this product, which I do recommend. I'm also using the mini size. I did not go ahead and get the larger size. It was like $20-something, so I just started off small. And for me, this is enough. I'm only rocking a middle part, so this was good for me. I am using the shade color Tan, and all of the information for this product will of course be linked in the description box. Y'all, can I get a sheesh one time? This is the wig just sitting on top of my hair, zero product. But y'all, this scalp? Come on, this product is awesome. The video is going to pick up with the before version, so keep that in mind when we return. Now on this wig, there is also a clip in the back. So for this, I like to put the clip right underneath my wig grip but not in my hair, so that it's not creating any unnecessary tension. I'm on a mission to try and make wigs as protective as they can be. A lot of people like to claim that wigs can be protective styles, but I am on a mission to truly make that happen, because the way that a lot of us wear wigs, it's not protecting anything, and you know that. Now when I'm just running out, I really will just like bobby pin down the tabs and go, but that is because I do have bangs, so it's a lot easier. Now if you are someone that wants to use absolutely zero kind of adhesive product, I would definitely recommend getting a wig grip and using bobby pins. That's gonna save you. That's gonna be it. Now I didn't really do it today, but sometimes I will also leave some of my natural hair, the edges out, and blend my edges in with the edges on the wig. And I do find that that helps a little bit, especially if your lace front is not precise or if your forehead is really small and you don't want the wig hairline to be too low. It can be helpful if the wig is the same color as your hair to also blend in some of your edges with it. The bangs also help. But it is seriously so easy. I do credit a lot of it to also this PerfectLine, which helps make the part look like scalp. So it's really, really easy to wear glueless installs. If you don't have a wig grip, then I definitely do recommend getting one if you are interested in wearing the glueless install method. Okay, y'all, so that is it. That is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it, and I promise I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Stay safe.